The DMAIC model of continuous improvement comes from the popular Six Sigma program and is a common tool in the world of industry. DMAIC stands for Define, Measure, Analyze, Improve, and Control. It is a slightly more rigorous cousin to the PDSA model I've discussed in another video. The DMAIC model is ideal for small teams focused on designing targeted solutions to a problem. It is best deployed when you have a clunky system that needs refining. DMAIC cycles are flexible and iterative, meaning that you can run them on your own timeline. They are also easily adjusted midstream. The DMAIC model works best when applied to processes that you want to stabilize over time to ensure efficiency. Let's take a look at the components of a DMAIC template. First, document the project title, review dates, and team member and leader names at the top of your template. This helps you keep everyone accountable. Next, you'll want to define the problem you are trying to solve. Spend some time with your team really working to understand the actual root cause of the problem you are facing. You can use tools like the fishbone diagram or the 5 whys to facilitate this discussion. Both of those protocols are discussed in other videos in this series. Having defined your problem, you need to measure it. You need to create a solid and reliable baseline that captures the scope of the problem at hand. Ask yourself, how will you know if our improvements are working? Will the process be faster? Will there be less paperwork? Will there be more accountability? Working backwards from the desired outcome can help you determine what baselines you need to record. Next, analyze the problem. Spend some time really scrutinizing the results of your root cause analysis and try to understand all the various factors that are at play. Use your baseline data to help you further understand the nature of the problem you're facing. From this analysis, make a plan to improve the outcome. Consider what steps you want to take and how you will monitor improvement over time. Make sure you have appropriate and rigorous data collection protocols in place that align to your baseline measures. This will help you understand if you are achieving your goals. Finally, consider how you will maintain the improvements you've made over time. These are called controls. Is it a regular check-in? Is there a natural reporting point where data can be collected and analyzed? Build the controls into your improvements before you implement them so that you can see how they are really working. Once you've completed the DMAIC planning process, implement and monitor your improvements. Periodically revisit your data, establish new baselines, and monitor for ongoing system improvements. You can repeat the DMAIC model, or you can transition to a more fluid model like the PDSA when you are ready to shift from short-term implementation to long-term monitoring. In summary, the DMAIC model is a thoughtful way to plan out a program improvement strategy. It encourages you to clearly define the problem, measure the scope of the problem, analyze the root cause, plan an improvement strategy, and ensure the improvement sticks long-term. Next time you want to implement a system-level improvement in your organization, consider deploying the DMAIC model with your team.